two thin convex lenses of focal length 30 cm and 10 cm are placed coaxially 10 cm apart. The power of this combination is, so two convex lenses are placed coaxially 10 cm apart. We have to find the power of the combination. So first calculate the focal length of the combination, that is, we know that focal length of the combination is 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 minus d divided by f1 f2, where f1 is the focal length of the first lens and f2 is the focal length of the second length and d is the separation between the two. So f1 is 1 by 30 because here convex lens, so f is positive. So and again f2 is 10, so 1 by plus 10 because f focal length of convex lens is again positive, minus d is the separation, that is 10 divided by f1 is 30 into 10. So 10 cancels, so 1 by 30 plus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 30, 1 by 30 plus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 30. So 1 by 30 cancels, this becomes 1 by 10. So 1 by f is, so f is equal to 10 centimeter is equal to 0.1 meter. So we get the focal length of the combination, but we have to find the power. So power P is equal to 1 by f. So 1 by f is 1 by 0.1. So 1 by 0.1, that is 10. So 10 diopter. So here is the correct answer, 10 diopter, that is option 1. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.